Well, guys, I don't know if you know what this is, but this is an amazing piece of meat. Look at that.
It's incredible.
It doesn't have one little bit of fat in it. It's just meat. That's what it is.
What is it, Ninja?
This is venison tenderloins.
Woo!
Look at this beauty. Can you touch it? Touch it. Look how
I don't wanna touch
smooth
it.
that is, man.
Oh, it is incredible.
It's so smooth.
You know, I never had venison tenderloin before. I've been meaning to do it for the longest time, but I haven't had it yet.
You never have?
No.
Oh. What about if you cook it today?
Oh, I don't know. You have to instruct me.
I will give you a little bit of a hint of what to do, and you cook it and
I would
see what
love
happens.
to. I would love to.
Only one thing you have to be worried about would be it doesn't have any fat
Yeah.
into it.
Yeah, I can
So
see.
it will overcook real quick if you don't pay attention to it. You
check
have to
this
be
out.
paying
I mean,
attention to it.
There's no fat at all in this.
No fat at all. But it's a beautiful, shiny,
looks beautiful.
amazing steak. Another thing that I want to talk about is this is a pasteurized, raised venison. It's not from the wild.
Okay.
So the flavor is going to be a
Yeah.
little bit less gamey.
Okay.
But
But it's gonna be it's gonna be very safe to eat.
very
very healthy.
safe to eat, very good.
I mean, it looks incredible.
Let's get into this. All right, my friend, the first thing to do with this baby would be to get rid of that little silver skin.
Okay.
You know how to do that, right? I mean, you've done it 1,000 times, bro.
Let
Get your knife.
You need to
Go
get a
for it,
nice and
babe.
sharp knife. What? So just make a little cut?
Put the way I do it is like,
Oh, okay. Apparently I can't do it.
I go like this.
I'll do the second one. You do the first one. I do the second one.
You just
Okay.
go back. Yeah. Have to cut as least meat as possible, not like me.
Yeah.
And then this part, just go
Yeah, I
backwards.
see. Okay.
You can have a lot of fun. If you point the knife up, you will always
Go really close.
yeah
Yeah.
get really close to it.
Okay.
It's your
Okay.
turn.
This one has less, so I got lucky.
Go.
Oh yeah, it's nice, it's smooth. It's almost fun working with that knife. I cut a lot of meat here. There you go.
Very pro, brother.
Okay, what are we going to season it with?
We're gonna use the Maldon salt that we love here.
Yeah.
You like the Maldon
that,
salt,
I
huh?
love it. Those
That
salt
one is
crystals, beautiful.
That
It
Maldon
tastes good.
salt is
You know, I use a lot of the smoked salt. They have a smoked version.
You know, I have a little problem with that because the smoked salt is not as the Maldon. You're talking about the Maldon, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't bring a lot of flavor, so you have to use a lot
Yeah,
more
you
than
have to use a
the
lot.
regular salt.
Yeah.
And
But
that
I mean,
is
it looks nice
expensive.
on video. Yeah,
It
I
looks
know.
beautiful. But
Yeah.
I
But
mean,
the flakes, you know, when you kind of sprinkle it on
It
the
looks-
meat, it just looks
it
amazing.
looks so you have the
Right.
Maldon salt in there. Put them
Right.
up. All right, my friend. What do you think about this?
This is an incredible looking meal, Ninja. This
I
is
love it, brother.
wow. What a presentation too. Thank
Cheers,
you,
brother. Cheers.
It's some good stuff. Thank you for inviting me. This is incredible.
My friend, this is your house. Whenever you want, you are invited. No problem at all.
Thank you.
But now,
Yeah.
it's time to give this baby a try
Let's talk about this.
and see if Meet the Butchers did a good job here. I don't know. Let's give it a good try. What do you think?
I mean, it smells incredible. Like,
The smell is really good and really intense because of the spices we put on it.
yeah.
I don't expect to have tenderness here
No?
because of the fat. I don't even know what to
Yeah.
expect, to tell you the truth.
Well, it's a tenderloin.
It's a tenderloin.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. I mean, let's
Let's go for it.
go for it.
I
Bro.
mean, we don't know what to expect,
let's go for it.
but it's gonna be tasty.
Look
It's
at
gonna be
this.
tender.
And look how
Look
it's
at-
leaking.
Oh,
Okay.
Look at this. Look at the juice.
You can say that this thing is overcooked. Okay.
Look at this.
Look at that. Let's go for it. Bro.
I mean, it's juicy. We already know it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is yummy.
Oh, wow.
It's super tender. Mine is super tender, but super tasty.
This is more than tender, guys. This thing just melt
Wow.
in your mouth.
Wow.
Super tasty. Wow, that pepper. I
Yeah.
give it a nice
Yeah,
pepper,
yeah.
bro. You did a good job
Incredible.
there. Wow, this is good. This is juicy.
Right?
It's not gamey at all.
No.
I was expecting it to be
Well,
gamey,
there's like an edginess of it, but not crazy.
but I like it.
Yeah. This enhances the flavor.
I like that
You
little.
know, over like a normal beef tenderloin,
Man.
which has like no taste or not that much taste. This gives it taste.
It's so good. I love it. Juanito, give it a try, bro.
Go, take this one, the
You
middle
need-
one.
You need to try.
You know, the thick one, the juicy
you
one.
cannot get
the
out of here
tasty
without
one.
trying that one.
This
That
one, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, Juanito. Juanito.
what do you say?
Talk to me, bro. Oh, he can't even talk. He can't even talk.
Oh god.
Delicious, huh? Yeah, because this thing is delicious, brother.
It's incredible.
You did such a great job, brother.
This is good.
Wow, this is good,
Oh,
good, amazing, crazy, unbelievable stuff. Miss Ninja, you have to try this thing.
I'm coming.
Come
I'm
over here.
coming.
Let me tell you something. Miss Ninja always has a problem with gaming meat.
No,
She doesn't
please
really
sit
like
down.
it.
Try this.
You
it's
are our
incredible.
guest.
She doesn't really like the
Look at
gamey
this,
fish. I
super
want her
juicy.
to give it a good try.
Yes.
Let's go for it, Miss Ninja. Mr. George, you
Oh,
want a
look
little
who's
piece?
here. He's waiting for his piece today, right?
Don't tempt him.
Oh my
Mr.
god.
George.
Yeah, look at
This
that.
is extremely tender.
Right?
What is it?
Deer.
Oh,
Venison.
is this Bambi?
No, it's not. No. It's not Bambi.
We just got a bunch of bad comments.
It's not Bambi, guys. This is somebody else. It's the bad guy in the movie. It's not Bambi. All right?
This is excellent.
That's awesome.
Oh my god, it's extremely tender,
Yeah.
super flavorful,
Yep.
and like you said, at the end, you get that little twist.
But it's yummy.
It is.
It's
It is.
good.
It
It's
is.
It's
delicious.
something different.
It is really good.
Well, before anything happened, I had to thank Meet the Butcher for providing us with this thing because it's amazing.
Yeah.
So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Lots and lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I don't know what you're doing because these things, nobody cooked this good any other way.
And hit that bell.
But Sebastian's channel does really good. And don't forget to hit the bell.
So you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays, every time we upload our new videos, and having a lot of fun with our friends here. Juan,
There you go.
In the description of the video is all the information that you guys need to know about this beautiful cut of meat. And if you have any question, any comment about how we cook this thing, how you might want to cook it in a different way, or if you ever tried it before, let us know down there in the comments. That's all for today, guys. But remember that I love you.
we love you.
Say that you love them.
I love you guys.
Yeah.
Check out my channel. Don't forget.
Don't forget to check his channel.
Like we had so much fun, right?
Awesome.
See you again next week.
Love it, brother. Man.
That thing was so good.